Hi all and welcome back to Messing with Resin. I got this mould today from Temu and it's a new mould that I couldn't wait to receive and try out. And as you can see, pouring the resin. It comes like this, so you get the little piggy mould and then you get the base that it sits on. I won't explain more because you'll see the finished item at the end. Stupidly forgot to record the leaves, the swing and the little birdies. That's the two little yellow blobs. For some unknown reason I've got a little fly in my shed, as you can see there. It's flying around and getting on my nerves, so go away fly. And then the oval part is the base, and I filled that in with clear. And again, like I said, I stupidly forgot to record myself doing that. Apologies for any work that you can hear. There are workmen outside at the moment. But yeah, so fill all that in, leave it all to dry, and then I can't wait to unmould it and put it all together and show you the finished article. Spritz of isopropyl, and then leave it for the night. Oh, maybe not. No, there we go. Just a couple of extra blobs in the corner there, and then a spritz. There we go. And then we'll leave it to cure and come back and unmould. Okay, so it's the next day. Time to unmould, and this little pig was a pain. To try and flip that all over and then just roll it down the sides of the pig was a complete but we do get there eventually. This is in real time, this is not sped up, so you can see once I'd flipped that all over how easy it was to unmould. There we go. Cute little piggy. Now he did have a couple of bubbles in his ears and one of his feet and his tail, but I rectified that by mixing up some very similar pink with some UV resin, so we fixed that. And I didn't record that because that's a long process. So there is the base. These little birdies, because they're tiny, they were a pain to get out as well, believe it or not. So then we take out the frame, and I'm happy with how that come out. There's the little seat, and then finally these little birds. Come on, little birds. Oh, there's one, and there's two. So like I said, off camera now, I fixed the pig and I added eyes and detail to the pig and the birdies, and here we are. How cute did he look? And these were so tiny. Come on, focus, to get the eyes and the little beak on the birdie. So basically I put some eye hooks in there. There were two spaces, but I did have to re-drill the holes. I'm using Gorilla Glue to stick the items together. I find that's the best with resin for me personally. I have seen people use UV resin, but for me, because it can't get under the item when you cure it, I prefer to use Gorilla Glue. So there's one little birdie. There's second little birdie. You've got to be quick because once it's in place it more or less stays there. And then that sits in the frame like so. And then there's the seat and little piggy. Oh. And these the other attachments, there's holes in the seat for those to attach. So we are just going to Gorilla Glue the base of the pig, And like I said, you have to be quick, because once it touches, it's basically stuck. You can remove it, but it does take 10 minutes to completely dry, as you can see there. And then push him down. So there's Piggy on his seat. And have any of you guessed what it could be yet? Now I'm just going to open up the bits on them, and then a bit of Gorilla Glue, and then stick them in. Maybe I should have stuck them in before I stuck the pig on. I'm not sure. That would have been easier. And then the last one, and we are almost finished. And I am so happy with how this came out. Just make sure they're all around the right way and stuck in. And there's little Piggy, all secure on his seat. And then basically you just hook those parts onto the eyes, and he sits like that, and it's little Piggy on a swing. How adorable is that? Look at that. Love it. Hope you do too. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.